Hello everyone, this is Jonathan Hansen from the Tech Department, and today I'm going to be showing you an in-depth view at Screencastify. Now, Screencastify is a video recorder that you can use to make short clips to send in your Google Classrooms or what have you. Alright, so first things first, you're going to want to get it installed. I'll put the link in the description down below. On the web store right here, Screencastify, Screen Video Recorder, you click Add to Chrome. Alright, and then it'll take you to this setup when you click on the icon in the little top corner up here. This is the Screencastify. It'll take you to here. Alright, sign in with Google. You'll say, yes, I want to automatically save to Google Drive. Sign in with Google. Sign in with Google. It'll ask you to sign in. Should be as easy as one click. You do want to give it permission to add. Alright, click allow. And alright, so it's going to ask for permissions. You're going to say yes, I want to allow. Educator, grade school. Alright, there we go. So we have Screencastify. Now if I click it again, you'll see here you can use it. Now I'm going to show you a really cool tool that you can use. Unfortunately, with the free version, you can only have a 5-minute video. Now, during this COVID time, they are giving away unlimited for a month. So if you click Go Unlimited, and you click right here, it says unlimited, $50. Click Get Started. Don't click the education discount. Just go here. And then see, you don't have to put in any payment info or anything. You just click the right here, redeem coupon. Put in cast underscore COVID. So CAST underscore COVID. I'll have that in the description as well. Click OK. And there you go. You don't have to put in any billing information or anything. This will be active until May 30th. Click Activate License. And you're good to go. All right. So how to use Screencastify. So you're going to go to this icon up here in the top right again for Screencastify, Screen Video Recorder. Click on it. Now you have multiple options here. You have Browser tab, Desktop, or Webcam only. Browser tab is what it sounds like. You can choose a specific tab that you want to present. Desktop will show everything, so including your taskbar, any possible notifications that pop up in the right side. So you'll probably want to do Browser tab unless if you're switching from application to application. You also have the option for webcam only, so that's just going to be a full screen video of your webcam, of you, not sharing your desktop at all. Alright, so for the example here, I'm going to go with desktop. I can go with microphone. Alright, and you have lots of options. I can do that one. You can turn on your webcam here. I'm not going to have it on because right now, well, let's see if I can turn off that, use it. All right. There's also more options here. You can have a little countdown, drawing tools. If you wanted to get audio from your screen, so say you have like a short little few second clip or something, you can include system audio. So any sounds that your computer makes, those will pop up. All right. So I'm just going to do this for now, and I'll show you drawing tools. So I can click record. All right. Oh, and it looks like it doesn't like me using the webcam. So I'm going to play recording again. Turn off the webcam. All right, record. So you have the option to pick a specific screen. You can't see my screen because it's on the other one. However, it's just saying if you have multiple screens, you can choose that or a specific application. I'm going to say this screen. All right, so it's counting down, 3, 2, 1. So now it's recording right here. So everything that I do, I can pop around. It'll say what resolution it's being recorded at. You can decide just, hey, I want to get rid of this, restart it, pause it. So if you wanted to pause, open up a different window, click resume, and then talk about that, you can. All right. Right down in the bottom left here are your tools. So it doesn't pop up on every window, but on ones it thinks that you can use. So obviously, new tab page, not going to make use of it. But here you can do multiple things. So pause recording. You can have a mouse pointer. So here's a few options here. You can focus the mouse. So you say, hey, look over here. You can highlight clicks, so it's a little more obvious when you're clicking on something. You can draw on stuff saying, hey, after you've installed it, go up here. Now, it is limited to your window, so say, okay, click for school, go there. You can erase it if you want. All right. And then you can also just clear the screen if you want with that eraser right there. All right. So there's that. So after you finish recording your video, go ahead and click stop. And then it's going to take you to this beautiful page right here. All right. So I'll click show me around. So down here we can trim our video. So see there's little scissors on the sides. You can cut the beginning or the end. And there's actually a cool editor tool that I'll show you later to cut things in between if you had someone knock at the door or something, you had to leave and come back. All right. At the top, you can title your video. So, for example, this would be Screencastify tutorial. Next, top right, here you can copy your Google Drive link. So you can copy that and send it in an email or post it in Google Classroom, and students can use that. Here is an even easier way to share to Google Classroom. You can just click right there. You'll probably not want to publish to YouTube. Next. All right, download or export your video. So you can click download, export MP4, just the audio, or as a GIF. All right, and here's the editor right here. So something I forgot to mention is when we put in that code, cast_COVID, that allowed us to make infinitely long videos, so longer than 5 minutes. All right. So here I can trim off the beginning if I want. So I can trim off the end if I want. You can save that trim down, 3, 2, 1 if you want. All right. I can give it a name. Screencastify tutorial. So now it's recording right here. All right. So if I click copy shareable link, it's going to make a link for me. And then I can go ahead and paste that anywhere I want, and it'll post it. Down, 3, 2, 1. All right. Sometimes it'll take a little while for it to finish processing, especially if you make a long video. All right, and I'll show you this handy dandy shared classroom. Something that's important is you have to click to unmute. If you don't click that, your video is not going to have any audio. All right, so if I click that Share to Classroom button right there, it synchronizes very well with Google Classroom. So right here, it'll probably tell you to sign in the first time. You can click Choose Class. So I'm going to go with an example class here. And you can create an assignment, make an announcement, whatever you want. So I'm going to say this is an announcement. I say, please watch this video. All right, and obviously it has that name right there, whatever you titled it. This one was just new tab because I chose new tab. And then I can post it. And then all the students will be able to view it just like that. So they'll pop in, and then there's your video right there. All right. So I'm going to tab. I click. If you open Editor, here's where you have a little more power to edit your videos. All right. So you can actually make mid cuts instead of just the ends. So if you click the little scissors button, cut, it'll make a cut there. You can click another spot, click cut, and select this box. It'll have a little blue highlighting around it, and you can just click delete, and boom, it's gone. So now it's going to show the tab. Obviously, you'll cut it probably when you got up to leave and came back. You can add text. So, hello class. And then I'm going to make that, because this is a black background, something a little easier to see. So select, click text, and make it a nice blue. All right, so something to note is that when you create it, it'll create it for your whole timeline that you have for that cut. So if you want to not have the text in each one, you'll make a cut and make the text in just a singular one. All right. So now that we're done with that, you can also open up more options. You can actually view it on Drive right here. So you can click View on Drive, and it'll take you right to I click Tab on Google Drive. If you want to see where it's actually saved and located on your Google Drive, open up Google Drive. You'll see this new folder called Screencastify. So go ahead and open up Screencastify. And there it is. There's my new video that I created. So I hope this helped. Remember, you can use the code CAST_COVID to get full unlimited recording for a month. All right. Thank you very much. Have a great day.